Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Now, today we are going to solve worksheet 2 of the chapter Plants Around Us. Children, once again, before I begin the worksheet, I would just like to recapitulate, that is a little revision we will do. Please listen carefully. Okay, plants are fixed to the ground. Okay, they are always fixed, they cannot move, beta. We cannot see some parts of the plants which are below the ground, but other part we can see which are above the ground. Okay, now it has mainly the two parts, the shoot and the root. But जो shoot होता है, the shoot is above the ground and the root is below the ground. Okay, now what is shoot? The shoot becomes the stem becomes the branches give rises to the leaves. Okay, this is the way the parts of the plants have been grown in the plants and the trees. But when I say tree, the thick stem is called as a trunk. Okay, and we cannot see those parts which grow under the ground, that is roots. जो root होता है, जड़ होती है, that we cannot see, and the roots grow under the ground. They hold the plant to the ground. This is very important function of the root. Root holds the plant to the ground. They absorb water and other nutrients from the soil. And what does the this thing, how the water travels up? Stem क्या करता है? The stem carries the water to the other parts of the plants and the trees, or you can say leaves also. So the water travels through the stem and the branches to the leaves. Okay, leaves are mostly green in color. They make food for the plant. The leaf is called as a food factory. The leaf is a mama of the plant. Leaves जो है वो खाना बनाती है, makes the food for the plant using water and sunlight. Using water and sunlight. Now the doder plant जो है, it has no roots and leaves. Just imagine. Then how it grows? It grows on other plants, and that is how it takes the food from them. Root नहीं है बेटा, so it cannot take the food and water from the soil. Leaves नहीं है, so it cannot make the food. So that is why if it doesn't have the root and the leaf, it takes the food from other plant. वो दूसरे plant में grow करता है. Now flowers. Flowers are colorful, give out sweet scent. Then the flower produce fruits and seeds. Who produce fruits and seeds? Flower produce fruits and seed. Fruits are the fleshy parts of the plant. And some fruits have seeds inside them. If some fruits have many seeds, some fruits have hardly one or two seeds. These seeds अब क्या करते हैं? ये जो seed होता है, बीज होता है, they grow into new plant. If they receive the right amount of the air, water and sunlight, then the seed changes into new plants. And remember, the green leaves cannot make food at night. Why beta? Because खाना बनाने के लिए, to make the food, the leaves need sunlight. Okay, and at night they don't get the sunlight. That is why they don't make the food. Now we'll start with the worksheet, children. This is a worksheet number 2. Okay, here it is till question number 5. I'll begin now. Okay, question number 1. Okay, I'll take the pen. You also take the pen and solve with Sarika teacher. Fill in the blanks. A. Plants need soil. और क्या चाहिए बेटा? Water. WATER. Soil. WA, it is A. WATER, water. AIR, air. A. Air and sunlight. I don't have place, but you write on the dash beta. Okay? Huh. So plant needs soil, water, air and sunlight to grow. Okay, very important line. Plants need soil, water, air and sunlight to grow. Very good. Next, plants are dashed to the ground. Plants are fixed to the ground. Leaves are mostly green in color. Leaves are mostly, ज़्यादा करके leaves कौन से कलर के रहती है बेटा? I am writing the spelling of green again because that E is not clear. Dash produce fruits and seeds. Who produce fruits and seed? Flowers. Flowers. Next, the dodo plant has no, yes. What do they don't have? They don't have roots and or leaves. Roots or leaves. ठीक है? Next, write true or false. We can see all parts of the plant. No, it's false. Next, the seeds grow into new plants. Yes, true. Next, leaves make food for the plant. Yes, true. All fruits have many seeds inside them. नहीं बेटा, some have one or two seeds also. ठीक है. Next, encircle the correct answer. A. The fleshy part of a plant is a. Now two answer they have given. Out of two you have to select any one and the right answer को circle करना. You have to encircle the right answer. It is a fruit or a flower. What is a fleshy part बेटा? आप जो खाते हो? Yes, that is a fruit. Next, green leaves cannot make food at night or noon. Yes, I told you at night they cannot make because there is no sunlight. Question number 4. Yes, we have to write the functions of the roots. We have to write the functions of the roots, leaves and stem. So we'll write point wise. Number 1, we will write roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Wait, I'll write again. This is better. Roots hold the plant. Roots, और मुँह से बोलते जाओ, repeat after me. Root holds the plant to the ground. प्लांट्स को ग्राउंड में उसको फिक्स करके रखता है. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट शुड नॉट फॉल ना. दैट इज़ वाई. नंबर 2, आपको क्या और क्या करता है? इट एब्जॉर्ब्स. एब्जॉर्ब्स यानी लेता है. इट ड्रिंक्स द वाटर. इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द वाटर. ड्रिंक द वाटर and other nutrients from the soil. OTHER. OTHER है बेटा. I'll be sending the PDF of this worksheet. From there also you will be able to write it. If you're not able to understand but still I'm not satisfied, I'll remove and I'll write again. Yes, other. Okay. If I write in joint handwriting, it creates a problem. Okay, other nutrients बेटा. Nutrients का मतलब food होता है. Our body also need nutrients, minerals and nutrients from the soil. SOIL, full stop. Now what is the function of the leaves? The leaves make food, make MAKE, make food, FOOD. Doesn't write properly after taking. Food for the plant using water and sunlight. ठीक है. Yes, leaves make food for the plant using water and sunlight. It directly cannot make the food. पानी और sunlight की बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है. It takes the water and sunlight. Stem. What is the function of the stem? Stem carries water to the leaves. Carries water to the, not only to the leaves, to all the parts of the plants and the trees. ठीक है. Through stem, through branches, then it reaches the leaf. Now, children, draw and label, color the different parts of the plant. This also I have done in the worksheet. You can refer to that better. Okay. So please revise. Roots, I am again explaining. Roots hold the plant to the ground. Two function है बेटा root का. Number 1, roots hold the plants to the ground. Number 2, absorbs the water and other nutrients from the soil. Then leaves make food for the plant using water and sunlight. And stem carries water to the leaves. And different parts of the plant can come. Plant will be made and the parts लिखना पड़ेगा. So please practice better and learn all the spellings like roots, flowers, leaf, fruit, stem, root. Spelling of leaves, then carries, water, absorb, spelling of nutrient, spelling of sunlight, roots. Okay, all these spellings please learn. Very important chapter, because अगर आपको spelling ही नहीं आएंगे तो you won't be able to write the answer. So please revise the spelling, children. Thank you, children. God bless you. I'll be sending the PDF in the group also, in the campus care also. From there also you can complete your worksheet. Thank you.